Today, SEI Carbide is coming to the AMRF to do a demonstration day.
Oh, it's been wonderful. The facilities here are just world class.
Good opportunity for us to be able to engage with our suppliers and for them to be able to show their customers what their tooling can do.
It's a fantastic opportunity to be able to showcase our products. We've brought our whole sales team in from around Australia, and we thought what a better facility to use to actually compare all our different products and look at the quality and differences.
Mitch, our senior machinist, has been running tooling or testing tooling on a Hermle C250, and this gives SEI a good idea of how their tooling performs in an everyday scenario.
We've had representatives from Japan, from Big Daishowa, and we've had representatives from Singapore, from Sumitomo Electric. So to have them here, to see the products we can do, the machines you have, it's been fantastic. The support we've had from the team here, yeah, we've found this very beneficial. We've also had SolidCAM come and showcase how to do modern programming, and that's been really beneficial as well.
Yeah, honestly, it's been good to nerd out and actually see and push tooling to see what it can do. It's gone beyond our limits and expectations.
It's very exciting to see what has now taken place by the New South Wales government to give an opportunity for manufacturing to grow and to become advanced manufacturers.